Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Please subscribe to the channel. We're growing the channel pretty fast. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and follow my journey as I show you my plays and also reveal my portfolio in a few days. Let's go to it straight up. We'll be walking through PSEC, Prospect Capital. It's one of the dividend stocks that I have in my portfolio. Dividend investing is a kind of a good way for passive income, folks. So if you just want to get some passive income every month or every quarter, it's good to have a dividend paying company in your portfolio. And they're pretty much boring because they hardly really grow, but they're really good in bringing in some extra money. And if you have your automatic reinvestment activated, I think that's a good way to just grow your portfolio and just forget about it. So right now the price is at 639. It's up about 1.94% for the day. For the week, it's down by 0.13%. For the month, it's up by 16.85%. 3 month, 27.07%. For the year, it's actually down by 1.82%. And let's go. You can see I have pending dividend for $12.25, which comes in February 18th. Right now I have 204 shares and a fraction of the share. My average cost is 504. So far I'm up 27.08%. And then you can see the volume is not that much, 1 million shares, and you see the market cap is 2.47 billion. A quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Consult with your professional and do your due diligence before investing in the stock market. So let's continue. You can see the last quarter they actually did not beat the expectation, so you can see the expected earnings and what they really got is a little bit low. So I think they should be doing this on the 16th. I'm not sure why this is already populating, but I don't think it's finalized, but looks like people projecting they won't beat it. So let's continue and show you the history. So I started buying this in November of 2020, and I bought 200 shares for 503, and then from there all these amounts just been reinvested. So those four shares and 143822 actually came from reinvesting. So you see why this is good for just having the reinvestment part activated, because you can just get shares without you doing any work. So let's talk a little bit about the company. So Prospect Capital Corp is a business development company. The firm engages in lending to and investing in private businesses. It also involves in generating current income and long-term capital appreciation through debt and equity investment. The company was founded by Michael Grill alias SEC in April 13, 2004, and is headquartered in New York. The listed name of PSEC is Prospect Capital Corporation Common Stock. So you see they were founded in 2004, and that's the CEO, and they're in New York. So currently, I believe they do a 0.72% for the dividend. So you can multiply that by a number of shares. I think the biggest risk that this company faces is the current low interest rates. So if you can get a lower rate, why will you go to PSEC for them to lend you money at a higher rate? So that's one of the biggest downfalls that they have. The positive is a lot of people need financing. So either way, based on your needs, you probably need to borrow money if you're like a business. And for the lending platforms like online lending or the banks, right now they have started picking up. I think as soon as the economy settles in with the new government, with the stimulus coming up, we should expect some changes in the financial sector. And I'll also be walking you through sometimes this week of another financial company that I hold, and talk a little bit about the pros and cons. But thank you so much for reaching this far. I'll be walking you through also some dividend investment stocks that I hold, and then I'll be showing you how to go about picking the right one. This is a safe one if you ask me, but always make sure you buy during the dips. Don't buy when it's picking up, because at the end of the day, these companies don't grow that much. So if you buy high, you get to see a really bad return in terms of overall growth per share that you own. So just a quick reminder, give this video a thumbs up. As I said, destroy the like button so that other people can see the content, and also grow the channel. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.